Have you ever dreamed of finding a treasure? In the digital world, that treasure is called cryptocurrencies, and mining is your pick and shovel. But what does it actually mean to mine cryptocurrencies? And how can you start this adventure? Let me guide you through this fascinating process that could not only fill your pockets, but also open the doors to the technology of the future. Cryptocurrency mining is the process by which new transactions are verified and added to the blockchain. It is the digital ledger on which cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are based. Each time a block is mined, the responsible miner receives a reward in the form of cryptocurrencies. This not only helps to keep the network secure, but also creates a competitive and decentralized way to issue new coins. How to get started? Choose your cryptocurrency. Not all cryptocurrencies are mined the same way. Bitcoin, for example, requires specialized hardware called ASIC. Meanwhile, others like Ethereum can be mined with high-end GPUs. Get suitable hardware. Depending on the cryptocurrency you choose, you will need to invest in ASICs or GPUs. These devices can be expensive, so it is vital to assess profitability before investing. Join a mining pool. Mining alone is like searching for a needle in a haystack. Mining pools combine the processing power of several miners, increasing the chances of mining blocks and receiving rewards regularly. Install mining software. Choose software that is compatible with your hardware and the selected cryptocurrency. Many of these programs are open source and easy to set up. Monitor and optimize. Mining consumes a lot of electricity and puts a heavy demand on your hardware. Monitoring temperature and performance is crucial to ensure the longevity of your equipment and the efficiency of mining. Is it worth it? Cryptocurrency mining can be profitable, but the costs of electricity and hardware are high, and the rewards are not always predictable. However, if you are passionate about technology and are willing to dedicate time and resources, mining can be not only profitable, but also immensely rewarding. What did you think? Go to tokenlabs.network and create your own token or memecoin. Remember to follow us.